what you got there? You got the A&W. Ooh, who's being super ferocious with the A&W Rootbeer box? That's right, Rio. You show it who's boss. Huh? Who's boss? And we have Skitchy, who's OCD here with cleaning his paws before he even eats any of his food. What a clean boy I have. Right, Skitchy? And Rio here is just starting to come into his own inner ferociousness. Right, baby? Hi, sweetheart. Rio. Are you a good boy or naughty? A little naughty today, huh? But you're cute. Look at me. I am so ferocious. I am going to destroy. I am the destroyer. All right, that's enough for now. Good night. Rio, say nighty-night. And Skitchy, you say nighty-night too. Bye-bye.